Hello viewers, my name is Ranjan. I am from India. So today we are going to see what will be inside a MindFlex 2 headset. So we know that today I am going to hack this MindFlex 2 headset. So we can see that what will be inside this MindFlex 2 headset. So we are expecting a Telegram 1 module which can be used for obtaining the EEG waves from our brain. So I have purchased this MindFlex game for taking this Telegram module. For my BTech final project, I have done a EEG control robot. For that, I need to take these EEG waves out of my brain. So in here, we are going to see what will be inside a MindFlex 2 headset. So we can see that this is a MindFlex 2 headset. With the MindFlex game, we know that we will get two similar headset like this. This is the headset number 1, which is marked here. So there will be 4 screws, what I unscrewed that. So we can see that this is what it will look like inside a MindFlex 2 headset. We can see that this is a daughter board which is by NeuroSky. This board is by NeuroSky. We can see that this is a NeuroSky Telegram R 2.8 module. This is for what I have purchased this entire game. So in here we can see that this is the main electrode which this is the main electrode which will be placed on our forehead. This will read the EEG waves from our brain with the help of this reference which will be clipped to our ears. So, and we will put 3 AAA batteries inside this, so the Telegram will get the power supply. And we can see that this is a RF module which will send the data from this which will send our EEG data to the base module of the game for the game purpose. So we don't need this module for our purpose. We only need this daughter board, this NeuroSky thing. Okay, it's clear now. So in this board, here we can see that it is marked T right here. In the entire left, there is a V. Above that V, there is a T and R. So we are going to use this T pin with respect to the ground pin here. We will get a ground pin here. So we will solder 2 wires from out of this. So we will get the data out of this pin T, and we will give this data to the Arduino, and we will run a specific code in the Arduino. Thereby we can process the CSV values out of this board, which will be comma separated values. We will get the EEG data out of this. This is what I want to show you guys, what will be inside the NeuroSky. This is what inside the MindFlex game version 2. Okay, thank you viewers.